Southern Soul, ATLFM.com. I'm EZP family. The Ten Commandments is fundamental to United States law and to Southern Soul American and African culture. Many of the Southern Soul family recognize the Ten Commandments as part of the 44 laws of Ma'at. In New Orleans, a panel of 3 federal appellate judges has ruled that a Louisiana law requiring the Ten Commandments to be posted in each of the state's public school classrooms is unconstitutional. The ruling Friday marked a major win for civil liberties groups who say the mandate violates the separation of church and state, and that the poster-sized displays would isolate students, especially those who are not Christian. The mandate has been touted by Republicans, including President Donald Trump, and marks one of the latest pushes by conservatives to incorporate religion into classrooms. Backers of the law argue that the Ten Commandments belong in classrooms because they are historical and part of the foundation of U.S. law. Louisiana Attorney General Liz Murrill said she disagreed and believed the ruling only applied to school districts in the 5 parishes that were party to the lawsuit. Murrill added that she would appeal the ruling, including taking it to the U.S. Supreme Court if necessary. The panel of judges reviewing the case was unusually liberal for the 5th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals. In a court with more than twice as many Republican-appointed judges, 2 of the 3 judges involved in the ruling were appointed by Democratic presidents. The court's ruling stems from a lawsuit filed last year by parents of Louisiana school children from various religious backgrounds who said the law violates First Amendment language guaranteeing religious liberty and forbidding government establishment of religion. The ruling also backs an order issued last fall by U.S. District Judge John DeGravels, who declared the mandate unconstitutional and ordered state education officials not to enforce it and to notify all local school boards in the state of his decision. Jeff Landry signed the mandate into law last June. Landry said in a statement Friday that he supports the Attorney General's plans to appeal. The Ten Commandments are the foundation of our laws, serving both an educational and historical purpose in our classrooms, Landry said. Law experts have long said they expect the Louisiana case to make its way to the U.S. Supreme Court, testing the court on the issue of religion and government. Similar laws have been challenged in court. A group of Arkansas families filed a federal lawsuit earlier this month challenging a near-identical law passed in their state. And comparable legislation in Texas currently awaits Governor Greg Abbott's signature. In 1980, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that a Kentucky law violated the Establishment Clause of the U.S. Constitution, which says Congress can make no law respecting an establishment of religion. Southern Soul family, we need God in our classrooms. Our Southern Soul youth needs spiritual, cultural, foundation norms like many of our Southern Soul performers had. Many of our performers, including Jeter Jones, began singing in the church. We need our children to receive those same values. Southern Soul family, do what is necessary to keep God in our classrooms in Louisiana. Our youth need the spiritual guidance and culture that nurtures our children and our families. Write or call your officials and politicians to make your voices heard. Let's keep God in our lives and put God first. Southern Soul EZP. I'm EZP.